and welcome back to the layout. In this video, I'm going to talk a bit about my track laying process. I'm using Walters turnouts and Microengineering FlexTrack, both code 70 and 83. For turnouts, I'm using feeders soldered directly to rail joiners. You can buy these pre-made, however it's much more economical to make them yourself. That's what I did. There are plenty of tutorials online telling you how to do this, much better than I could have. I'm powering a switch that leads into the industrial area on the east side of my layout. So I poke holes in the foam board with a metal file and then thread the feeders in. Here I realize that you can't see anything if I have the camera on the wrong side. After getting them in place, you just slip them on like regular rail joiners. Here's the underside of the layout. As you can see, I haven't wired the bus to this module yet. When I do get that wired, I use suitcase connectors. You just put each wires there, close them, and it creates a connection. For wiring FlexTrack, I solder wires directly to the bottom of the rails. Similar process as the switches. I just poke some holes where the wires come down and put the track in. And then I connect each of these pieces of FlexTrack using N-scale code 80 joiners. And that's pretty much it. I think this is a pretty easy way to get track power when you're still figuring out where all your track and switches to go. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I really appreciate the response my last video got. I'm excited about this channel and this layout, so please stay tuned.